Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna go ahead and clean this garage, basically this whole garage, with the new pressure washer that I just got, using this, the RYOBI 1800 PSI power pressure washer. So let's go ahead and box this and hook it up to the system, move the cards out, and let's start cleaning. All right, yes, you can go. Now that we've got the Model 3, Model S out, take a look at how filthy this garage really is, just to give you a sense of what we're cleaning today. So this is where the Model X goes, this is where the Model S goes, that's where the Model 3 goes. As you can see, that one wasn't used as much in the winter, so that's a little bit cleaner, but still dirty. But the Model S and Model X, this is what we're going to be cleaning. So let's get to work. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, this one I got from Home Depot for about $100. There's another one. This is 1800 PSI. There's another one that's, I believe, 2100. That's $100 more. So with the stuff that I need to get done, I assume 1800 is going to be okay because it's half the price. So we'll take a look and see how well this thing actually works. So it comes with a spray bottle. Here is part of the pressure washer system. Hose that connects to the gun. Let's pick this up. The pressure washer itself. So this should be pretty simple to set up. I've used something similar way in the past when I used to live with my parents. My dad had one, not like this, but a different one. It's a much powerful one, so I'm somewhat familiar, but let's see. The screws for the handle, and that goes on top of the gun, the nozzle. All right, let's take a look at the instructions real quick. What are they asking us to do? Put the handle on, get the trigger handle ready, hook up the pipe, hook it to the system, hook the water line to it, and then connect it. Okay, should be pretty simple to do. Important instructions: detergent, bleach, do not use bleach, max on, make sure there's no turns or locks in the pipe, and pipes no leakage, so that way you've got the best pressure possible. So turbo nozzle, this is what this is that I'm holding in my hand. There's a 15-degree nozzle, which is right here, and then one for the soap. So concrete, let's see, tells you the abrasiveness, turbo, all going all the way up. So we're going to use a 15-inch instead of the turbo one. And low pressure, high pressure, so 15-degree. Use with caution for certain applications, but since we're using it on concrete, we're all good here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Cool. All right, so basically put the handle on here, sits in, and you basically just put the screws in, one on each side. Hi, Zaina. Hopefully they can see you. What's up?
I'm just playing volleyball by myself. Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Hooking up the pressure washer system.
It's on YouTube?
Yep. All right. let me finish putting these screws in, but as you can see, this is in now. Hook up the gun here, and you can see the grooves. You basically pull out the grooves and twist and lock. This is good to go. This is where the other hose end is gonna go. So let's open this up. Okay, there we go. My camera died, so we'll continue here. So with a little bit of pressure, you push in, and then you basically screw this on all the way. So hopefully this will work then. Thank you. All right, and then the other part goes here. Again, push in a little bit and turn. Is the pipe ready, Zian?
Huh?
Is the pipe ready?
No, I need help.
All right, let's go.
Super long. Like half of it isn't done.
So this pipe's been stored away for a couple of years actually. So this is in pretty twisted condition. The bike's not working? What's wrong with the bike?
It's not pedaling.
Okay, are you trying? Are you pushing the hardest?
She is. I was trying to.
And it's not working.
Okay, we'll take a look at it.
How far would it go?
I don't know. It should go pretty far, but the pressure obviously is going to be more immediately near where you're spraying.
Do you think the tree?
No. All right, so let's go ahead and hook up the pipe here.
Just clean the floors.
I'm gonna hook up this nozzle. Let me see this, please. It should be a quick release, I think. So you pull back, put the nozzle in,
I can go turn on the tap.
and locks in place. Plug this in here. Green light's on, which is good. So it's a green light. Go ahead and press it, see what happens.
Whoa.
Keep it pressed. There we go. So here's what we're gonna do. Stop it. We're just gonna keep this up here, away from where we're gonna be cleaning, and we'll move it around, obviously. You wanna do it? Sure. Let's do. It's actually clean. Just like that. It's just. So if you guys saw earlier, the pressure washer was kind of ramping up and then ramping back down as it was building pressure. So basically what happened, I think, was there was a lot of air still left in the pipe. Now that the air is gone out of the pipe, it's actually working perfectly fine without it stopping and waiting for the pressure to pressure up. What are you doing?
I'm doing a muddy puddle.
Oh my god. Hey, you got your shoes on the wrong way. Those have to be changed. That's on the wrong foot. You're wearing the shoes the wrong way.
Can you take them off for me
And do what?
and fix it?
Okay, let's fix it. Okay, is that better? Is that better?
Yes.
Now that you got your shoes on the right way?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy the muddy puddles. So here's the before. How dirty it looks. As you can see, there's a world of a difference between what it was before and what it is now. So this 1800 PSI is doing just fine in getting this concrete cleaned. That, I don't know, I've been here almost 4 years. I haven't cleaned it. Before that, not sure how long it's been, but it's doing its work. Ready? Right, so as you can see, there's a huge difference between how well this cleans. Another example, just a stone that we just cleaned. So we got to clean the rest. So now we're basically just emptying this. The water hose has been unplugged. We're just getting all the water out so we can go ahead and put it away. There it is. All right, here's the final product. We didn't spend a whole lot of time getting rid of all the marks and stains, but we wanted to get all the dirt and salt out. So this is still drying, so if you see the discoloration, some of it is still wet, but this part we didn't spend a whole lot of time on. I'm sure we could have gotten that out. Those are older oil stains that we probably need some type of a degreaser or something to get rid of, but I wasn't expecting the pressure washer to get rid of that. Again, still wet, so some discoloration, but overall I am pleased with how well this cleaned. It got all the dirt and salt out of the garage, and now it's nice and clean. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed our video. You can see the garage is a lot cleaner behind us. If you did, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.